So hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is gonna about red lentil face mask, means Masoor Dal face pack, and this face pack helps to improve your skin complexion, and this home remedy has been used since decades. So let's begin. First of all, take a bowl. This is red lentil powder. If you have not seen my previous video, then check it out. I had given the link in the description box how to make red lentil powder at home. So take 1 tablespoon of red lentil powder. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of raw milk. As you all know that raw milk is very effective to your skin. And at last, a pinch of turmeric. So mix it well and make a smooth and lump-free paste. Now I am going to apply this all over my hand. I had applied it on my hand. Keep it for 10 minutes to dry it and then wash it off. So if you don't know guys, this face mask really works on your skin and improve your complexion. So try this guys. After 10 minutes, massage it gently and remove the mask. So as you can see that my skin is clear now. You can see the difference on my hand. In this hand I had applied that face mask. See the smoothness of my skin. And see this one, which I had not applied anything. So hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also press the bell icon for the new updates.